Hey family, so come with me to Chef Kenny's Vegan Cooking in Vegas. I was there on a trip and I saw that they had Asian cuisine, and that's what I really was looking for that particular night. So I went and they had an extensive menu. I thought about eating in, but I had too much work, so I decided to get it to go. And I automatically knew that I wanted some veggie fried rice. So I was just like, what else can I get to go with this veggie fried rice? So as you can see, like I said, this menu is quite extensive, okay? They even got vegan desserts, okay? Which is great. And if you're into sushi, they have sushi. And then I was like, oh, I spotted what I want to get with my fried rice. I want to get the vegan fried chicken because, growing up in high school, we used to always go to the Chinese takeout and get fried rice and their fried chicken wings. So I was like, yeah, let me go find out what they use to make their vegan fried chicken. So the lady said they use oyster mushrooms. I'm like, oh, bet I like oyster mushrooms. So I was like, yeah, let me get the fried rice and the vegan fried chicken. So this is what the fried rice looks like, looking delicious. And then this is what the vegan fried chicken looks like. I'm like, okay, cool. So let's get into the fried rice. It's got a great mixture of vegetables, bok choy, broccoli, carrots, peas, onions, all sorts of things. So I like this fried rice. It tastes really good, even without the soy sauce, and then even better with an extra bit of soy sauce. Now, I'm a bit nervous, okay, because I'm like, I done seen oyster mushrooms fried before, and none of them kind of look like a ball. So I break it open, and I'm like, where's the mushroom at? Because all I'm seeing right now, and I had to situate myself, because I'm like, hold on. I'm trying to show y'all, too, to make sure, so y'all know I'm not, capping on y'all. But for me, it's a lot of breading. And the ratio of mushroom to breading is just crazy. I'm like, where is the mushroom? Then I'm like, well, wait, let me just give it a try because maybe it's bomb or something, even with all this breading. And so I'm chewing. Now I'm going to cover my face because my facial expressions kind of get out of hand at times. And this is one of those times. So I was like, let me dip it in the sauce that they gave me. And yeah, it's a no. Let me pack this back up, put that over there, and let me go back to this fried rice because that's good. So I'm gonna stick to the fried rice. I'm gonna just chalk it up to I ordered the wrong thing. Some restaurants there's just certain things you don't order, and I'm thinking this might be one of those. But it was a no for me. It might be a yes for other people, but definitely a no for me on the vegan fried chicken. But the fried rice was definitely given an 8.5 out of 10.